Too many emails, too many tabs, too many repeat tasks. What if AI did the boring work for you? In the next few minutes, I'll show you 10 automation workflows that can save you hours every week. 1. Auto draft emails. You give bullets. AI writes the email. 2. Instant meeting notes. Record the call. Get clean summaries and action items. 3. 30-day content plans. Share your niche. AI builds your social calendar in seconds. 4. Email to task boards. Important emails auto-create tasks with due dates. 5. Data cleanup. Let AI fix names, dates, and duplicates in your sheets. 6. Auto-transcribe and highlight. Upload audio. Get the best parts pulled out for you. 7. Smart reminders. AI pings you only when something truly matters. 8. AI add copy A/B tests. Generate 10 versions. Keep the winners. 9. SEO keyword clusters. Paste one topic. Get clusters, titles, and outlines. 10. Lead scoring with AI. Let AI decide who deserves your time first. Ready to work less and win more? Join AIVersiti's AI Automation Mastery and get a free 10 Workflows playbook. Copy-paste templates you can use today. Guidance from real AI builders, not theorists. Build your first 3 automations in the next 72 hours. Your future self will thank you.